Here I've got PHILIPS Xenium X588 and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to find and select Play Store, then slide right to open more functions and go to My Apps and Games. Then here you've got updates, wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see here you can see all the applications that need to be updated. So let me, for example, update Google Playbooks. Click on Update. Wait a couple of seconds. Within a short while the latest version or Google Playbooks will be downloaded and then installed. And now you can scroll down and here under recently updated you will find the application. And also you can update all applications at once. Simply click on Update All and then you can use your device in a normal way. Meanwhile, all applications will be updated. And that's basically all. This is how you can update applications in your device, in your Philips. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.